Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Fiverr affiliate program login, complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Fiverr affiliate program and hit enter. Look for the official Fiverr affiliate program link in the search results. Click on the link to navigate to the Fiverr affiliate program homepage. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter the email address you used to register for the Fiverr affiliate program. Next, input your password in the designated field. Double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait a moment while your login information is verified. Once logged in, you will be taken to your affiliate dashboard. Here, you can view your performance metrics and access promotional materials. Familiarize yourself with the resources available to maximize your affiliate earnings. If you encounter any issues, check the FAQ section or contact support. This completes the authentication process for the Fiverr affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.